There are those who are going to be sitting in the main hall. Those are the VIPs. Our guests who have come from far, and including members of parliament and so on. Then there also goes a hall which is just next to the main hall, which is a tent. There are 3 of them, where people are going to be sitting. In all those sitting places, there are screens, so you'll be able to see whatever is going on in the hall itself. Everything is going to be virtually conveyed. There's people are going to have some refreshments and lunch and entertainment as we arrive there for about 1 hour, after which the other speeches will begin. So there will be people who will be ushering you to where you're going to sit when you arrive there. And please, I want to request people to obey the instructions of those who are going to be there on the ground. Finally, we welcome you again to the UK, United Kisumu, city of Kisumu, which is ready to receive you today. And you expect many things today. Kisumu is alive. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Asante sana.